Hi everyone, my name is Sarstedt. I'm a professor of marketing at the Ringle University in Magdeburg, Germany. And I'm super thrilled and happy to present to you the third edition of our primer on partially square structure equation modeling, which I co-authored with Joe Hare, Thomas Hult and Christian Ringle. When we published the first edition of the primer back in 2014, we were pretty confident that PLS would gain in importance in research and practice. But what happened during the last years exceeded our wildest expectations. We see thousands of applications of the methods, numerous researchers who work on methodological ends in an effort to advance the method to tackle problems such as endogeneity, measurement invariance assessment, and so on. The third edition covers these exciting advances. For example, we discuss recent issues in composite-based SEM modeling, which offer you, the user, concrete guidance when to use PLS instead of covariance-based SEM. We also answer some of your frequently asked questions, such as how to determine the minimum sample sizes or how to include control variables in your PLS path models. Finally, we cover the latest metrics for measurement and structure model assessment, such as inference testing for discriminant validity assessment, the use of the PLS predict procedure for predictive power assessment, and model comparisons. That being said, I very much hope that you'll enjoy reading the book as much as we enjoyed writing it.